here. Back around, another power shot, here, flip, and back. Whatever you want with it.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY. The Fleurette starts outside the body, so sticks in my right hand, outside the body with the stick facing downward. The best explanation that helped it resonate in my mind was, think of like a clock. You know, the old school clocks with the hands on them, not digital, and you mounted this circular clock on the wall. This is kind of like my clock, it's hung on the wall. Once you have the stick out there, you kind of are leaning away from it. So back up just a little bit to see. So my weight leans away from it. All I want you to do at first is just turn the stick 1, 2, 3. Okay, so watch close. 1, 2, 3. But watch from the side. 1, 2, 3. Not 1, 2, 3. Don't be here. See how the stick is facing you? Flat of the stick, this is facing you. Don't do this. Don't start flipping it. Don't do circles. Don't do backhanded circles. Keep it like the clock on the wall and the hands start spinning. See how that looks? The hands are spinning forward. Okay? This is your first fake. Body leans away. Hand comes out like you're going to hit. Body leans away and 1, 2. Now, 1, 2. On the 3, it's going to come up and it's going to drop to the 3 o'clock, the 3 position. And it's going to come all the way across. And it's just going to come across, hitting, and end up in a perfectly closed position like we've been so many times before. On this, I'm doing it 1 halfway to the 2 and coming across. I like that better. 1, 2. Now, when it hits the other side, I'm having you come tight. Doesn't have to. But what you're going to do from here, you're going to do 1 pump on the back end. Now the clock falls over. Clock falls over. So from here, it goes away from your body, turns. Don't hit yourself in the face. You can come over the head, or you can kind of keep it away from the body and away from the head. See how I'm going higher? Like I can come lower, or I can kind of keep it higher. And it's just like a helicopter blade on the top, kind of. Like it's not super flat. It's a little bit of a cyclone, like a tornado, but it goes away. That's your fake 1. And then 2 comes back out and hits. So 1, 2, cross, back, over. So I'll show you something. 1, 2, boom, come back, hit through. Now, when I hit through, look where my stick is. It comes up, falls down, resets, hit, whoosh, up, stick falls down, 1, 2, hits back. So, come back through. So, drops up, drop, 1, 2, comes through. Goes 1 fake, 2 fake, if I want, comes back. I don't care how many times you're gonna do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, come across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, doesn't matter. It's the fake. 1, 2, wham. Drops down. Remember, it's here, comes up, falls down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, then comes across. Doesn't matter, that's the fake. What you're getting used to again, so that's just this really kind of like fakey way of So that's just his way to just. So that's just a fakey way instead of just bow, 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 bow. You have these little. Just got these little fakey kind of motions in there.